Hi guys, I'm just showing a video first time on how to make indicator lights and turn signal lights out of these LED light kits you can get on Amazon. What you'll need is obviously the light kit. Um, I also picked up an LED kit for LEDs in various colors. This is the amber one. I'll put the links down below. You'll need a kit of these LEDs. Also for the ends, it's cheaper to buy this whole kit than just the ends alone. And the ends look like this. And basically what you're going to do is take the LEDs from this kit, connect the ends to give yourself a little bit of length in case you need to cut it in the future or fix it, and connect it to this. So basically giving you the final product like this. You'll also need a heat shrink. You'll need different kinds, different sizes. Basically, there's a large tube that is the size of this to help yourself make one of these ends. And then the little ones that you can use inside, because obviously you don't want positive and negative touching inside these, so that's what you can do. And once you have that created, basically you're going to silicone, and after drilling a hole out right under the this little hole right flush against the bracket. Don't make it too big so this doesn't fall through, and then you silicone that to the back. You can use some kind of 3M glue, or hot glue, or even Sugru, which is a great product, but I use silicone because it is watertight and it is removable. As you can see, this was on here. I had to take it off because it was off center, and being OCD about that, I had to take it off, and I'm going to have to re-glue it again. And that's basically it. The other product that you might want to do if you want to look factory is to get one of these kits that also linked below. It is made by a company that is right there, and they do have a film that basically you use a heat gun and you can make this whole light amber just like the factory again. So we're going to be pretty factory in stock, but when the lights turn on, it looks pretty damn amazing. I'll show a video when this is all installed. This will be a little trick here for me to do this, but I'll try to get this light turned on for you guys, because I'm recording this one-handed, but there you go. If you wanted to blink here. And the bottom lights have the 3 LEDs, so there's plenty of videos online. You can see how that looks, but I'll show you the final product in the end. Hopefully this is something that interests you guys, and give me a thumbs up, and if you like to subscribe, that'll be amazing. Thank you, and again, it's Rob. Have a great day. Bye.